Welcome to week 11 of dollar cost averaging $10,000 in the bear market. In today's video, I'll be buying another project. As you guys know, I'm taking $10,000, splitting it up by 52 weeks, and then every single week I am accumulating, I am DCAing, and I am buying more and more crypto. And hopefully when the bull market returns, we will have some decent positions that can potentially make us a ton of money. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you the next project I'm buying. Alright, so now we are inside of the spreadsheet. As you can see, we started out with $10,000 and every single week we are buying. Now we have $8,080.61 left. We can spend about $192.30 every single week. And these are the projects that we have purchased so far. We got some Matic, some Pendle, some Cardano, some Hello, Flash Stake, and Polkadot. And in today's video, we'll be adding the other token to this list. Also, every single week, I am tracking the progress, showing you guys what coins I'm buying, at what price, and how much money I'm spending. As you can see, last week, we bought more Pendle at 30 cents, and we spent $218, which is slightly over our weekly budget. Before I show you the next project that I'm purchasing, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And also, this is not financial advice. I'm simply showing you what I'm doing with my own money. If you want to purchase any project, make sure to do your own research. Also, we are still in a full-blown bear market. The bull run has not arrived yet. We are going to have a ton of rallies inside of the bear market, a ton of bull traps, and a bunch of other shenanigans. So do not be fooled that we are in a bull run and everything is about to skyrocket and go to the moon. We are still in a bear market, and in my opinion, right now is the perfect time to start accumulating. Do not go all in any project. Buy a little bit at a time. Stretch your money out and accumulate the projects that you like. So the project that I'm purchasing today is called Silo Finance. Secure money markets for all crypto assets. Silo is a non-custodial lending protocol to borrow any crypto asset with another. If you go to their website, I highly encourage you to watch this 1-minute video. It explains everything perfectly. Silo is secure, efficient, and permissionless. Unlike other DeFi protocols such as Curve, Aave, and others that pretty much gather all their crypto into one pool and pretty much increase the risk, Silo does the complete opposite. It is secure by design. When you deposit into Silo, you don't share the risk with other tokens in the protocol. Silos can only borrow the bridge asset from each other, keeping the risk isolated to a single silo. With Silo Finance, there's shared liquidity, which is very effective. To concentrate liquidity, each token asset gets its own silo. To concentrate liquidity, each token asset gets one silo only. Liquidity moves fluidly in the protocol, enabling any collateral token to borrow another. So when we launch the app, it will bring us to this page and it will show you the total liquidity locked so far, which is over 30 million. One of the reasons why I like Silo and why I'm so bullish on it is it allows you to earn money on your staked tokens. For example, if you are staking Ethereum on Coinbase, you will receive CB and then on Coinbase, you pretty much can't do nothing with it. But if you bring it over to Silo, you'll be able to earn some money. And in my opinion, this is an awesome feature that will grow over time and that will bring a lot more people and a lot more money to the Silo Finance protocol. Also, if you have staked Ethereum on Lido, you can get WST and you can also bring it to Silo Finance and earn even more money. All the assets that you are bringing to Silo Finance, you can lend them or borrow against them. So let's say you have been staking Ethereum on Coinbase and now you have some CB that you want to put to work. You bring it over to Silo, you can lend it or you can borrow against it to make even more money. The opportunities are everywhere. Also, the Silo team is very active and they are constantly improving the protocol. Now let's go over to their Twitter page. One of the first things that you will see is their ABR silos are live. Now you can deposit USDC or ARB single-sided and earn shared of the 400,000 silo rewards over the next 50 days. As you guys know, Arbitrum just had an airdrop where people made almost $10,000 to $15,000 overnight. Now with Silo Finance, you are able to put your ARB to work so you can earn even more money. And now we are on CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, Silo Finance is under 5 cents. It is slightly up on the day. But when we scroll down, you will see the overall chart. Let's quickly zoom out. But it had a good start, but now it is pretty much flatlined. Probably because we are in a full-blown bear market. But I believe Silo is definitely a good long-term hold. That is why I'll be purchasing some today. Also, the all-time high for Silo is 95 cents. So if we take in the price that we will be paying today, which is slightly under 5 cents, and it goes back to the all-time high, that is an easy 20x. Alright, so now we are on Balancer, and I'll be using $193 to purchase some Silo. That will give me $4,045. Hopefully the fees are not high and they do not wipe us out completely. So I'll press preview, then it will pretty much ask me to confirm everything inside of the wallet. Alright, so everything has gone through, but unfortunately the fees really did a number on our transaction. We were only able to get 3,713 CLO tokens, and the current value is $175.86. So we are already in the negative, but hopefully in the long term, they will be worth a lot more. Now we are back inside of the spreadsheet. As you can see, we went from 8,080 to 7,822. This is the price that we paid for CLO, 0.47. We spent $198, but we got 3,713 CLO tokens. Alright everybody, that concludes this video for week 11. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.